So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and basically make emojis move on iOS 18. Now, doing this is actually fairly basic. It really does not take too much time at all. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is you want to hop inside of your Messages application. So when you do this, you want to go and find any conversation that you want the emojis to move in. And then what you're going to want to do is you want to tap on this text box at the very bottom. So tap on this text box and you'll come into this particular page. Now what you want to do is you want to click on this emoji icon that's at the very bottom. So go ahead, bring in the emojis that you want to bring. So let's say I just wanted to go and animate these emojis, right? Well, what I want to do here is before I send this emoji out, I want to go ahead and hold down on this send button. So right there, I can go and find this, button right here, and then I'll find this bubbles icon. Now what I can do is I can go and click on it, and I can go and have my emojis move in different ways, just like this, as I go ahead and send them. So as you can see, there's a couple of different ways. I can also go on screen. I can go and have my emojis move in a lot of different ways this way as well. So there's that option. There's like this cool option. These are just a bunch of text effects that you basically have that you can kind of configure and change around whichever way you want to. So that is kind of an option that you have there. So that is the main way to do it. That's the easiest way to do it. The other way that you can do it, I can talk about in principle, is by going through and making some sort of screen recording or GIF if you want to, and create a PNG of that emoji. There's a lot of them online. If you just type in like moving emojis, you'll be able to find them online. But that's kind of how you do it for the most part. It's a pretty basic process. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.